Imagine a world where XRP, one of the most widely debated cryptocurrencies, becomes essential not just for crypto investors, but for global financial institutions in need of stability. Today, we're diving into a fascinating prediction that says a potential supply shock could be on the horizon, one that might send XRP prices soaring. But what does this mean for investors, and why do experts think this rally could happen sooner than you expect? Stay tuned as we unpack this exciting prediction. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, where we bring you the latest updates, insights, and predictions from the fast-evolving world of crypto. Today, we're breaking down a bold prediction about XRP, a crypto that's already at the forefront of many investors' minds. If you're curious about what could drive XRP's next big move, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a complete understanding of why experts believe XRP could be on the cusp of a massive surge, driven by powerful supply-demand dynamics. Whether you're an XRP holder or a crypto enthusiast, stick around, because you don't want to miss what's coming. We're covering everything from price trends and historical data to an expert-backed theory that XRP is set to face an unprecedented supply shock. Later, we'll dig into how this could mean a new era for XRP's role in stabilizing global economies and managing liquidity on a massive scale. Stay with us, because this story only gets more compelling, and it could give you a unique edge in understanding XRP's future. If you're getting value out of this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Your support helps us keep bringing these in-depth crypto analyses, and it ensures you stay updated with the latest predictions and insights. So, let's dive in. As of today, XRP is trading at $0.5481, holding steady in the same price range it maintained a week ago. But looking at its performance over the past month, XRP is down by around 6%, and when we zoom out to a 60-day view, that decline stretches to 10%. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has shown resilience, gaining around 12% over the same period. For those invested in XRP, this may raise some eyebrows. Why has XRP lagged behind, and more importantly, what could ignite its next upward move? The key lies in a phenomenon that some analysts are calling a supply shock, a situation where demand begins to outstrip available supply at an unprecedented rate. Aliara, the founder of Black Swan Capitalist, has been a vocal advocate of this prediction, and his argument is as bold as it is intriguing. He believes that XRP is on the verge of experiencing a significant price surge, driven by heightened demand from large-scale investors and institutions. The crux of his theory is that XRP will transform from a speculative asset into a necessity, especially for financial institutions looking to maintain liquidity as the global economy undergoes intense fluctuations. The current circulating supply of XRP stands at 56.71 billion tokens. According to Aliara, this might soon prove inadequate to meet anticipated demand. Why? Because as he sees it, financial institutions, struggling under the weight of an unstable US dollar, will turn to alternative assets like XRP for liquidity and stability. The thought here is that as these institutions scramble to secure liquidity, XRP will be viewed not just as an investment, but as a core asset for stabilizing operations in uncertain economic conditions. This transition in how XRP is perceived, moving from speculation to necessity, is what Aliara argues could kickstart a new rally. Let's add more context. XRP's value proposition has long been centered on its utility in cross-border payments and liquidity management. With rapid transaction speeds and low fees, XRP has established itself as a standout player in the crypto space for facilitating international transactions. But if Aliara's theory holds true, the token could evolve into a much broader role, possibly even becoming a tool for stabilizing currencies and managing global debt. Earlier this month, another analyst, Levi Rietveld, echoed similar sentiments. Rietveld suggested that a supply shock could push XRP's price to staggering heights, potentially up to $60, and he suggests that this could happen virtually overnight. What's fascinating about Rietveld's argument is that it doesn't rely on gradual market forces or extended periods of growth. Instead, he posits a scenario where XRP suddenly captures a portion of SWIFT's extensive international payment network. In this situation, major financial institutions would have no choice but to buy up XRP in large amounts to facilitate their transactions, thereby creating an intense demand spike. Adding to this complexity, a significant portion of XRP's total supply is locked in escrow, a safeguard Ripple uses to control the release of new tokens into the market. This escrow mechanism limits the total available supply at any given time, meaning that if Rietveld's scenario were to play out, there would be even fewer tokens available to meet the massive institutional demand. This mismatch between supply and demand is the supply shock effect, and it's what experts believe could drive XRP's price through the roof. One of the driving factors behind Rietvild's theory is the potential for XRP to integrate into existing financial networks, specifically SWIFT. SWIFT is the backbone of international banking and has been for decades, facilitating the vast majority of global cross-border transactions. However, SWIFT is notoriously slow and costly, with many institutions facing high fees and delays for international transfers. XRP, by comparison, offers near instantaneous transfers and low fees, making it a strong contender for future cross-border payment solutions. If even a fraction of SWIFT's network were to adopt XRP, the demand for the token would surge, driving prices higher. This isn't to say XRP would fully replace SWIFT, but the idea that it could become a complementary tool in SWIFT's vast network is intriguing, and it's a scenario that would require significant XRP holdings by financial institutions. But Aliara's predictions don't stop at cross-border payments. He envisions a future where XRP could be used in managing global debt and stabilizing currencies, especially in emerging markets and countries facing economic crises. By providing a stable digital asset that can serve as an intermediary in international exchanges, XRP could play a role in mitigating the effects of currency devaluation, inflation, and liquidity shortages. Aliara even goes so far as to suggest that XRP holders might one day be able to claim a portion of the global money supply. The idea here is that as more assets are tokenized on platforms like the XRP ledger, individuals holding XRP could see their tokens represent a stake in a diversified pool of economic assets. This might sound like a stretch, but the underlying technology and demand for decentralized finance tools make this concept worth considering. And he's not alone in this view. Many in the XRP community share similar sentiments, arguing that XRP's utility in real-world applications could vastly expand, eventually encompassing functions well beyond what most people currently envision. For investors, the prospect of XRP experiencing a supply shock presents both opportunity and risk. On the one hand, if these predictions are accurate, holding XRP could become extremely profitable as demand surges and prices rise. On the other hand, it's essential to recognize that these theories are based on speculative assumptions about institutional adoption and global economic trends. It's also worth considering the regulatory landscape. XRP has faced legal challenges, most notably with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the outcome of this ongoing case could have a significant impact on XRP's accessibility and appeal to institutional investors. However, should Ripple prevail, this could open the door to broader adoption and a potential influx of institutional buyers, further intensifying the demand for XRP. Do you believe that XRP is on the edge of a massive breakthrough? We want to hear from you, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, remember to hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload more analyses like this. Thank you for watching Zaki Crypto Update. We hope this breakdown gave you valuable insight into the dynamics that could influence XRP's future. As always, stay tuned for more videos on everything crypto, from emerging trends to expert analysis and more. Check out our other videos to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto world. Until next time, stay informed.